I'm loving these microfiber towels. Veco sent me this roll and I've been testing it out for about 3 weeks now, and it is amazing. It has cleaned my kitchen better than any other rags that I have. I've also used it in my car, on my windows, and anything else that you can clean in the house. So this thing comes with 80 microfiber towels, and it comes with this amazing stand that keeps it off of the counter so it stays clean. And it also tears off just like a paper towel roll, which I really love. Then it has this, it keeps the cloth from falling off. The brand was saying that you can use 1 microfiber towel per week, so I put it to the test, and let me tell you, this thing worked really well for a week. It doesn't have that gross, musty smell that most rags have, and then after a week, I'll just wash it and reuse them. But it's really nice because I can put this thing on the side of the counter, and also I have used way less paper towels, which is really nice because we all want to do our part to help the earth. It does a great job of cleaning my fridge and my oven, all my stainless steel appliances. It doesn't leave streaks or lint. It also cleans my windows and my car and my dashboard. I'm using these for just about everything. I love them. I think these are an excellent product. This is a great gift you can give anybody, someone for their kitchen, your favorite guy for his garage. These work really well there too. Don't take up a lot of space. Definitely love these microfiber towels.